shoot! What the heck? Okay. They're building. So I'm on the wrong road then. Oh yeah, I took a wrong turn. I'm like all the way over here. Supposed to be there. That was a fun road though. Look at this view. These people are gonna have a super nice view. It's hot. I need to take off this jacket. Yeah, like, see, you come down, you can't really see it unless you're like really focused on looking forward. You catch a glimpse of it. I don't think I caught it until the very last turn. So finally I'm on the road. So where it said no outlet, I was supposed to make a left, but that other road I was on was actually super nice, super fun. Oh, there's a fire here. Yeah, the trees look kind of burned, but still standing. Finally saw some other motorcyclists. Super nice view. Got some bridge action. Look at that. You know, I honestly didn't check how many miles it is to the coast. I'm at 2 bars of gas left. Hopefully that's okay. Wow, all of a sudden, a couple cars. It's getting kind of tight here. This reminds me of Grizzly Peak, but a little nicer roads. There's just some corners that you just really gotta slow down on, and an upright naked, it's just like perfect for these. Super fun. So I'm stopping. I saw this freaking log. I mean, when you come out of that turn, you are kind of going slow. People will see it, but oh man, strong bump right there. Look at these trees, man. Super nice. Oh. Oh shoot, it was a landslide? less than 10 miles to Highway 1. I think that other section right at the beginning, that's the best for motorcycles, and so some spirited riding. This right here, it's not fun. But actually going through all these trees, super nice. Looking like Jurassic Park out here with these type of plants. The road just got worse and worse. Yep, the water. Made it. Still got some gas, so that's good. Some art. It's cool. I've been here once. And didn't bring the GoPro, unfortunately, but I did bring my camera. Just getting shots of the bike and the scenery and all that. But one day I'll do like a full video on with the GoPro riding these roads.